This is Chingir. Today we're going to be looking at how to create a LinkedIn banner. So you can see mine is kind of fully customized, and today I'm going to teach you shortly how to do this. So there are two tools that you can use for LinkedIn banner, namely Canva.com, Canva, or here Spark Adobe. I think I'm not sure, like if you need to pay a little bit later, but there are different versions in Spark. We're gonna be looking at Canva because it's easier to do. So the first thing you do from the landing page in the search bar, you type here LinkedIn and LinkedIn banner right here, right? So there are different templates that you can utilize, anything that you like, different colors, uh, whatever you like. I think I'm using this one for my articles. Choose the template that's the easiest way, and then you just need to kind of modify it a little bit, right? Okay, let's check this one. For example, here is a template of the banner. Few things that you need to do right away is to customize your picture, right? So you need to choose one that kind of sends the message, the one that's related to your industry. So these are three resources for you. One is Pexels.com, another one is Pixabay, and another one is Unsplash, right? These are free stock pictures. You can find anything you want, and yeah, whatever. Let's say marketing. You want a picture from marketing. Uh, there you go. Let it be. No, not so super fancy. So find something. Yeah, I like this one thing, but it's vertical, right? So make sure your picture is horizontal. Doesn't matter. Let's take this picture. So on the picture, once you open it, you click right click and you choose copy image. You go back to your canvas, right? And you press Ctrl V to paste it, and your picture will be pasted. On the picture, you can put it like this manually, or you can right click on it and click replace background. So the background will be replaced. Oh, but you need to delete this one, right? Sorry, they're using the frame for this one. So easy, if there is a frame, you take a picture and you just click on it, you just move it and you put it for the background. So there you go, you have your background. Now you can finish here, you can delete this, right, if you want, and you can delete this if you want, right? But because there is already text, right? But let's say, let us choose something that, I don't know, let's choose this one that doesn't have text. Or not? Okay, let's choose this one. Right, very clean, very nice. I don't know what's happening. Why does it open another picture? It thinks that I'm clicking on this one. Do it again. There you go. Copy image. All right. Let's paste this one like this. All right. If you do double click, you can position it so that it is centered properly. Yeah. And now you can do everything here. So think about any kind of quote, right, or any kind of text that you want. If you want people to follow your hashtag, you can put your hashtag here, and people will follow. If you have a, I don't know, some. So think about your message, right? This is going to be text. Uh, your industry, I don't know, product. You can say product management or product manager, business developer, business, I don't know, business analyst. Yeah, product manager, business analyst. Here you can say, I don't know, merging business and technology. This is essentially what it is. All right, so you can choose different fonts here. If you don't like it, you can choose different fonts. Let's say like this, right? And this is icon. You can move it somewhere. So working with text, play around with it. What you can create, right? Gonna show you a couple of tricks. You can do elements and shades. So you click here on elements, and let's say you put just just a square. Yeah, here, there you go. You need to click on it, right? So you can rotate it like this, right? And here in the right top corner, you can change its transparency. So if you change this transparency, it's gonna be like semi-transparent. And if you make it bigger, all right, you can create this kind of nice effects. Make it like this, right? For example, this one you can bring to front, the text, and you can put your text like so, maybe like this, something like this. So this is another like way how you can use elements. Of course, there are different shapes of elements. You can use squares, you can other things. I'm going to show you how to use frames. For example, here, frames, you can click see all if you want to put a picture there. Right? I don't know, whatever. Let's take this one and put it here. So if you want to, now you have a frame that you can fill with another picture. So let's check. Like I have, I don't know, some pictures of me. You copy it. For some reason it doesn't copy. Let's try to open it. Yeah. For example, you want to put some kind of fancy picture. You click on it here. There you go. And you put this picture. You drag it and put it on the frame. Well, that's not a very good frame, but yeah, you can use all sorts of shapes, right? So say something that if you want to do like this, if you want to put your picture here. Now, last thing that I want to show you is how to put icons. For icons, you can use this resource, flaticon.com, right? Those are also free. So let's say you want to put some social media there. Let's put some Instagram there. So you want an Instagram icon. Those that are marked with this crown, those are premium, so you cannot access them for free. But others, there are lots of nice fancy icons. Let's just this one. So you can download them as a vector graphics, or you can download them as an image, right? But very easy way. You just copy image. This is already a very high resolution image. You just press right click, you copy it, you go back to your Canva, and you paste it, right? And now you have an icon here. So you can make it smaller, right? And oops, I don't want to fill it in there. I'll move it. No. So you can move it, you can choose it, and you can move it with keyboard as well, right? So drag it in the right position, and let's copy this one for another text, and let's say you want to have your Instagram here. Job Hunt Tribe. This is my Instagram. I'm gonna delete the second line and like this, right? So of course, the one that I'm showing you right now, it's super ugly. There is not much aesthetics in that. I'm just showing you different tools, but consider your LinkedIn profile as your personal e-commerce shop, and the product that you sell, it is you, right? So make your shop in the best possible shape, polish everything. If you have any questions, drop me a comment, and I will be happy to answer. I'm looking forward to seeing these beautiful LinkedIn profiles. Cheers.